I am speaking from Newton Study. My name is P.N. Singh. My qualification is MSc in Mathematics from H.T. Jain College, Ara. I am going to teach physics of class 9th. The topic is using energy converters. Using energy converters. This topic is related to chapter work, energy and power. The topic using energy converters is related to chapter work, energy and power. There are many devices. There are many devices which we use, and these devices converts from one energy to another form. There are many devices which we use in our daily life. These devices converts from one form of energy to another form of energy. In our everyday life, we make use of many appliances which converts one form of energy into another form of energy. First, electric motor. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. We use fan. The fan changes electrical energy into mechanical energy. The motor of fan converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. We use mixer. Mixer converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Such this, we use many devices that changes electrical energy into mechanical energy. Next, electric iron. An electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. An electrical iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. Electrical energy into heat energy. An electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. We know that the flow of electron in a conductor is known as electric current, but the flow of electrons is not very easy. They have applied to force for their motion. In this case, that work is converted into heat energy. Such this, an electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. Next, electric bulb. An electric bulb converts electrical energy into light energy. An electric valve converts electrical energy into light energy. When electric currents pass through the filament of the electric bulb, the filament gets hot and gives light. Such this, an electric bulb converts electrical energy into light energy. Radio. A radio converts electrical energy into sound energy. A radio converts electrical energy into sound energy. Due to electrical energy, the diaphragm of the radio vibrate and vibration produce sound. Due to electric current, the diaphragm of the radio vibrates and due to which sound produces. Such this, a radio converts electrical energy into sound energy. Next, a steam engine. A steam engine converts heat energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy. A steam engine converts heat energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy. A steam engine converts heat energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy. Next, car engine. The car engine converts the chemical energy of petrol into heat energy and then into the kinetic energy or mechanical energy. The car engine converts chemical energy into heat energy and then into kinetic energy or mechanical energy. The car engine converts the chemical energy of petrol into heat energy and then into kinetic or mechanical energy. Petrol is a chemical substance. Such this, car engine converts chemical energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy due to which car moves. We know that petrol is a chemical substance. The car engine converts chemical energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy due to which the car moves. Chemical energy, heat energy, kinetic energy or mechanical energy. Car engine converts chemical energy into heat energy and then kinetic energy or mechanical energy. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last I say you must subscribe, like and share Newton Study. Thank you.